Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and I wanted to show you how to go ahead and install Power BI. So what I've done is I'm on my Windows machine and I pulled up the Microsoft Store, and all I did was go in the top right corner and type in Power BI. This is the easiest way to install Power BI. You can download the application, but I find this is just the best way to do it. And we'll hit Get or Free to get started here. And it should now start downloading. So if we go in the top right corner, you'll notice here that it is now downloading, okay? So we just have to wait for that to finish, and I'll see you back here in a moment. All right, so after waiting a short while here, it looks like Power BI Desktop is finished downloading. What we can do is click into Power BI, and we can go ahead and launch this service. And so we'll let that go ahead and launch. And that initial time you launch it, it does take a little bit of time there, so I stopped and restarted the video. But here you can see we are now inside of Power BI. And if we wanted to get started, there are a few ways we can go ahead and do that. They have some nice tutorials here in the bottom right corner. But what I want to do is just get something open so we can start looking at something. So if you were to type in sample data sets for Power BI, Microsoft has this nice page where you have a bunch of downloadable reports or things we can work with. And so maybe we should give the first one a go. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one here. And if we go down below, so we'll just take a look here. So I think we just have to go ahead and click here. And from here, I just want to hit the download button. So I'm just looking for it. Here it is. Okay, great. And so I'll go ahead and download that file. Notice that it's the Power BIX. That is the file that we were looking for. And we'll go ahead and open this file. So after waiting a short while there, the file did open. It does seem to take a while for things to open, but I'll just hit the X there. They have a new modeling mode. We'll just say not yet. And so down below, you can see I have a bunch of tabs here, and this allows us to go ahead and explore this data. But you can see things are extremely interactive here in Power BI Desktop, so you can do all sorts of things here, okay?